Hi everyone. Today I'm going to read you a book that maybe can inspire your next nature walk. So this is Tiny Perfect Things by M.H. Clark. I really love this book, so I hope you enjoy it too. Tiny Perfect Things. Today we keep our eyes open for tiny, perfect things. Like here on the ground, a yellow leaf that the wind blew down. There's the little yellow leaf that she's looking at, some bigger ones. A spider's web that caught the light. A snail that climbed the fence last night. See all the crows up in this tree? I watch them and they watch me. 1, 2, 3 crows. Here's a red bottle cap and a man with a beautiful feather in his hat. And a flower growing through a sidewalk crack. So, there's the feather, and there's the flower, and there's the bottle cap. Look, our shadows are holding hands. They walk when we walk, and they stand when we stand. I see a cat on the steps and someone we know. Let's wave hello. And look, there's the cat and the person that they know, and that's them waving hello. Here's an apple way up high, red against the blue, blue sky. I love apples. And now I see the pale bright moon. Can you see it? Wow. It's getting cold. Let's go home soon. Around the corner, up the stairs, the light is on. Who's waiting there? Who's waiting for them to come home? It's a little cat. We found so many things today. A snail, a leaf, a cat, some crows. The world is full of wonders, no matter where we go. Can we go again tomorrow? I wonder what we'll see. The world is full of perfect things when you come and look with me. And look at all the perfect things that they saw on their walk. There's the crow, and there's the snail, And there's the apple and the bottle cap and the leaf. And look, there are some flowers and a ribbon and a bird. So many things. How many tiny perfect things can you find? There's the crow, some tiny perfect flowers and leaves. Ooh, and there's the cat. And some tiny perfect drawings on the driveway. And there's a tiny perfect butterfly. So many tiny perfect things. I really like this book. So go out and have a walk and see what tiny perfect things you can find. I'm going to go for a little walk now and I'll show you some pictures of the tiny perfect things that I find on my walk.